morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.2 question number 4 part 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Today I want to describe how you can find the zeros of given polynomial. It means how you can find the value of given polynomial. Zeros means value of polynomial. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Zeros of polynomial means value of given polynomial. It is clear. Linear polynomial has one zero means one answer. Quadratic polynomial have two zero means two answer. Cubic polynomial have 3 means 3 answer. Biquadratic polynomial have 4 or more than 4 zeros means 4 or more than 4 answers. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question very easily, but you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. It is clear, no confusion about my words. Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.2 question number 4. Find the zero of polynomial in each of the following cases. First, px equal to x plus 5. Second, px equal to x minus 5. Third, px equal to 2x plus 5. Fourth, px equal to 3x minus 2. Question is clear, no confusion about question. Very good. You solve all question and find the value of x. Value of x is zeros of given polynomial. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Px equal to x plus 5. Px equal to x plus 5. Hence, Px equal to x plus 5 equal to 0 is a polynomial. Px equal to x plus 5 is a polynomial. It is clear? Hence, Px equal to x plus 5 equal to 0. Clear? Now, x plus 5 equal to 0. You can write 5 on right side. Clear? X equal to 0 minus 5. X equal to minus 5. Answer. Hence, 0 of polynomial is x equal to minus 5. Answer. It is clear, no confusion about it. Px equal to x plus 5 equal to 0 because px equal to x plus 5 is a polynomial. Clear? Hence, px equal to x plus 5 equal to 0. Now, x plus 5 equal to 0. You can write 5 on right side of equal. Clear? X equal to 0 minus 5, x equal to minus 5. It is clear? Hence, 0 of polynomial is x equal to minus 5. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next, it is first solution. Second solution. Second is px equal to x minus 5 is a polynomial. Px equal to x minus 5 is a polynomial. Hence, Px equal to x minus 5 equal to 0. Clear? You can write it as it. Clear? Now, x minus 5 equal to 0. You write 5 on right side. Clear? X equal to 0 plus 5. Minus 5 become plus 5 on right side. Clear? X equal to 5. Hence, 0 of polynomial is x equal to 5. Answer. Your answer is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next. Third. Solution. Third solution. Px equal to 2x plus 5 is a polynomial. Is a polynomial. Px equal to 2x plus 5 is a polynomial. Hence, Px equal to 2x plus 5 equal to 0. It is clear? Now, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. You can write 5 on right side of equal. 2x equal to 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5. 2x equal to minus 5. X equal to minus 5 by 2. X equal to minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 2 whole number 1 by 2 proper fraction. 1 by 2 improper fraction. Clear? Answer. Hence, 0 of polynomial is x equal to minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 2 1 by 2. Answer. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Answer. Next. Solution. Fourth. Third is clear? Here Px equal to 2x plus 5 is a polynomial. It is clear? Px equal to 2x plus 5 equal to 0. We can write it as clear. Now 2x plus 5 equal to 0. You can write 5 on right side. 2x equal to 0 minus 5. 2x equal to minus 5. X equal to minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 2 whole number 1 by 2 fraction. It is clear? No confusion about it. Hence, 0 of polynomial is x equal to minus 5 by 2. Next, fourth question. Px equal to 3x minus 2 is a polynomial. Is a polynomial. Is a polynomial. It is clear? Now you can write it. Hence 3x equal to 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now 3x minus 2 equal to 0. You can write minus 2 on right side. It becomes 3x equal to 0 plus 2. Minus 2 become plus 2 on right side of equal. Clear? 3x equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 3. Answer. Hence, 0 of polynomial is x equal to 2 by 3. Answer. You find your answer very easily. In this way you can solve any question and you can find the value of any polynomial or any zeros. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is clear? No confusion? Very good. Okay.